everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Emmy here today. I'm so happy that you joined me today. Today I have a plan of showing you how I make the front cover for my newest projects coming. I'm planning to make a vintage ephemera ring-bound junk journal notebook. This time I want to do something with the theme of lace, white color, creamy color, kind of like vintage looking. So as you can see that I decorate the front cover. I'm planning to decorate the front cover with a lot of red and trim and crochet, and most of the color is kind of like white and creamy color. I want to show you that what the material that I use. For the front cover, I used a very hard cardboard. It's very good material. Hard cardboard is 300 GSM. It's very strong. It's very durable, and it's very good cover for use to make a junk journal ring bow. And I adding a lot of lace and the trim and the crochet. So what I do is I gluing the vintage fabric on the front of the cover. The glue that I recommend you to use, this is called the fabric glue. I live in Australia, so I bought this in the craft store. It's in Spotlight, a craft store in Australia. This glue is very good because it's dry clear and it's very quickly dry. It can it dry very quick, like around 3 to 5 minutes. So I really like that. So I was gluing the front with the fabric, and also on top of here is the lace. And then I already finished the other side of the front cover. I edging the paper with this ink. Is called Distract ink from Ranger. This one is vintage photo. I use a sponge to blend the color on the side to edging the paper. If I don't tea dye or coffee dye my journal, I always using this because it's more convenient and is adding own style texture looking, and it's very easy to use as well. So if you guys want to try to aging the paper with the ink, I recommend this kind of ink because it's easy to use. It lasts very long. I got this from my craft store, or you can just order online from eBay, which is cheaper. And I adding the one whole piece of the vintage crochet dolly as the pocket by attach the fabric glue on the side, and then I bending fold in half of the crochet dolly and adding the vintage bottom here. So this will be my pocket for the front, after the front cover, and then this is the pocket. And this one is the back of the cover. I already finished this. The back cover, I decoupage all the paper into the cardboard, and then you can see this is like a zigzag stitch to make it look more kind of like vintage look, and decoupage all the lace and all the paper and everything, and adding the crochet trim at the bottom here. So what I want to show you today is I want to show how do I gonna make the front cover. So with the front cover, I want to adding this beautiful vintage lady photo. I kind of like this photo is look very elegant and it's look very kind of like vintage looking. And I zigzag stitch into the linen, crochet linen. I think this is called crochet linen. And then I will show you how do I decorate this. Also, I will adding my handmade crochet dolly. If you check my previous video, I was doing a tutorial how to crocheting the vintage dolly as well for the beginner, and I like to adding my own work into my junk journal notebook because I think it's very special. I'm also planning to make this tutorial on YouTube. I show you that I have finished making vintage crochet star dolly. I want to turn this into the table runner, and I have way of doing this. I'm planning to do this tutorial how do I make this and adding the pattern. So if you guys watching this video and you want to know how to make this and you're interesting, you can leave me a comment, and yeah, I would like to make a video how to do this. This pattern is very rare and very hard to find because I got this pattern from my grandma very own crochet book. This is the kind of vintage dolly star, very cute and lovely, and it's very actually it's kind of very expensive to buy a crochet and use it to decorate your junk journal. So I thinking to make your own is more unique and it adding a lot of texture into your journal as well. So I want to show you that mostly of my front cover I will use the lace, the trim, and my handmade crochet. So first of all, I will use the lace trim to at the front of the cover. I will use this fabric glue. It's my famous glue to use. It's dry very quick. I really like this. So I just attach it directly to the front cover. I'm adding more glue. I will leave the side hanging down like this. I think it look kind of cute. Then I will adding this. So this side will be the side where I will punch the hole. This journal I will doing the ring bound journal, so I have to leave this space to be able for me to punch the hole. So I will not put my front cover so close to the side here. It will be hard for me to punch the hole, so I will move it aside a little bit this way. Okay, as you can see that, look at this, it's already dry. This glue is very quick and it's so easy and convenient to use. So I'm thinking of adding this first, maybe. Yeah, I will adding this first. I will trim the excess out after I finish all the decoration. So I add this first. Yeah, the glue is dry already. It's very, very quick. It's my favorite all-time glue. So now I will add the front cover with the picture and everything. I use a lot of glue because I want to make sure everything is secure. This is my first time video tutorial on my YouTube. So if I do something wrong or something you feel that you like to recommend, just leave me a comment down below. Do you like this tutorial? Do you find it's boring because I didn't talk much? And yeah, so we almost finished. Okay, now is the time to do the front. I think my hand is not on in the way, so sorry guys if you can't see it. This is my first time, so I will try to make it better next time. That's finished. And then I will attach the You can either sewing into the crochet dolly, you don't have to use the glue, but I prefer to use the glue because it's more strong and it's more quick. And then I'm gonna add this one and this and this and this. This is what it's gonna look like. Okay, so I will make the video go faster, and once I finish, I'll let you see what it looks like. So guys, this is my front cover is finished. Decoration, what do you think? Do you like it? If you have any question, you can leave me a comment down below. I will be happy to answer all your questions. And thank you so much guys for joining me for the very quick tutorial. How do I make my cover? I hope you enjoy watching it. You get the inspiration of how I make it and the idea of the material that I use. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. And then I'll see you guys next time. Thank you. Bye.